Well, if it's two things I like, it's vintage electronics and clocks. And this is both. This is a GE 8142-4 flip clock. It's called a flip clock, although I don't really like the name in this case because the numbers sort of roll up rather than flip down like a real flip clock. The numbers are sort of split in half and the top piece flips down onto the bottom, but you'll see in just a second that these ones roll quite smoothly up, I think. Or is it down? Yeah, no, it's down. There you go. It's not really flipping, is it? It's more of a roll clock. Some people call them space clocks. I don't know, I just like it because it's old and it's stood the test of time. It's made of Bakelite, pretty strong stuff. 120 volts, made in Singapore for General Electric. And I just like these old clocks that I call them tumbler clocks. And I just like the design. I've actually got one in my Jeep, believe it or not. My Jeep's a 99 and I've got one of these tumbler clocks out of a 75 Lincoln Continental, I think it was. I took it out of the junkyard, the car junkyard. And at the end of this video I'll just give you a few seconds look at that, just to show that in my car, because I like these tumbler clocks so much. Don't know whether you can see here, but on the front, let's see, there's like a sort of a second hand. Let's see if I can get that. On the right there's like a second hand that shows you it's moving. I think you can just about see that. And on the left is a little window for the alarm. And the time and the alarm adjusted by these little gears here. See if I change the alarm here, I can change the clock here. I just like the action of these. I don't know what it is. It's just something nice and retro about the way they work. And on the back here is a little ugly looking gold metal tab that is the alarm on and off. Pull it for off, push it for on, or the other way around. And then on top you've got a little snooze button. Quite nice features really for the mid-70s when this was made. Now we got the camera on the tripod at the moment because I was planning to open it up for you and take a look. I've already got the screws out on the bottom, so we're just going to pop the front off. This is just a piece of paper here, little bezel. This is the plastic cover for everything, and then you're into the guts of the clock. Now this is all electric. There's no batteries at all. So I'm going to watch what I'm touching here a little bit. There's the light right there. A lot of people replace these with LEDs. I think you completely ruin the effect if you do that. I mean, yes, you increase the efficiency of the light, but that's not what it's about, really, is it? Better to keep it nice and retro. Let's see if we can get this alarm going. Because it's quite obnoxious when it does. But as you can see, there's lots of nice gears and cogs and springs in there. This is the second hand I was talking about. You can see it a little better now. And like I was saying, it's not really a tumbler, is it? Because they're just like sort of barrels that rotate. Don't think we're going to be able to get the alarm going right now. But it does work. Oh, there you go. Press the snooze button on top. Good. Glad I was able to demonstrate that. So let's get it back together again quickly. Easier said than done. And there you go. It's just a nice old clock from the mid-70s. And I use it every day. Wakes me up in the morning. Thanks for watching.